Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the most epically epic unboxings out there.
Epic.
Yeah.
Coming to you actually live from the depths of the Bullion Now bunker this time. We are down in the depths.
That's exactly right.
What have we got?
If I look exhausted, it's because I am.
Why would you be looking exhausted? Let's take a little bit of a look.
I've moved 2.5  ton of 1,000-ounce bars twice today.
All by your lonesome, I'm sure.
Well, not quite. I had a little bit of help, but
let's have a look at the silver.
So this is only 1.5 ton of the silver in 1,000-ounce bars. Now, why are we showing you these? Because these are buybacks, believe it or not.
Not just showing off.
We're not just showing off. These are buybacks, and as you know, we like to show everyone the buybacks we get. A bit of variety. This one's obviously a bit of a statement, being 2.5 ton of buyback silver. But it's also because we've bought it in bulk, we can actually do it at a great price. So if you're in the market for a 1,000-ounce bar, we are going to do these at spot price. Now, it still makes it well over $30,000 for a per bar. So before you start, rattling that money box tin and emptying out the small change, be aware that it is spot price. It is a great buy for a 1,000-ounce bar. However,
there's still a lot of silver there.
Still a lot of dough.
There's still a lot of silver there.
So each bar's, like I said, 1,000 ounces. Now, these are industrial bars. They're made by the Perth Mint. They're an industrial bar. So usually what happens with these is they're melted down into other bars, or they're used by some of the larger banks and things like that for storing bulk. So because they're industrial, they're never exactly 1,000 ounces. They're always a little bit below or a little bit above 1,000 ounces. So if you're buying one over the web, you still make the purchase, just don't pay the invoice immediately, because it'll say it's 1,000 ounces. We then allocate you a particular bar. We go on the weight of that bar, and then we'll adjust the invoice as necessary, either increase a little bit or decrease a little bit.
Customised invoice.
Exactly. Now, be aware that if you're interstate or you're wanting shipping for it, the website will not allow you to calculate shipping automatically, because it only allows parcels or packages, I should say, up to 5 kilos. So it will also say on there, I don't actually know what the website says, but it won't let you select postage for it. So don't panic, just click pick it up in store or any of those sorts of things. Get the transaction through, and then if you need postage, you can write in the message by customer, or I can't remember what the heading is on it, but just put in there, would like this posted, and we'll calculate a shipping invoice for you as well.
Make sure if you are picking up in store to make sure to bring a lackey or someone along to be able to pick it all up for you, because
yes.
As an exhausted Michael will attest to.
Yes. Look, each bar does, I know they don't look like it, but each bar weighs 31, 32 kilos. So, if you think of your carry-on suitcase, which a lot of people bring into store, I don't know how many of those we've broken over the time. But they wheel in with their, carry-on suitcase that they take on the airline, which, when you think about it, they're only designed to carry that 10 to 15 kilos. Even though you probably fit 3 or 4 of these bars in there, they're not designed to carry 120 odd kilos, and they just blow out on the way out. So have a think about it when you're coming in store. Don't just bring in your handbag or your backpack. There are serious weight in these things.
And bit of a side tangent. How do we know it's actually silver on the inside? And that I'll pop a little link up to the top right there. We've cut one open. We've cut one of these open before.
And I'm more than happy, once you've purchased it, to cut open your one if you want. And there you go. If it doesn't turn out to be 100, it will turn out to be. You're
gonna grab the right blade this time.
Yeah. So if you haven't seen the video Ruben's referring to, when you view it, there is a story behind why we used effectively a butter knife to cut open a 1,000-ounce silver bar. And one day I'll tell you the story.
You're going to be synonymous with these giant silver bars, Michael. It's good.
Yes. So they are in stock. There are 80 of them altogether. If you do the maths, there's not 80 here. There is another 35 bars elsewhere.
We were feeling too exhausted to move that many.
Fortunately, we don't. One of the guys and myself did the 45 this morning, and we just had these to do this afternoon. So there are 80 altogether. They will go within about a week. So if you're in the market for one, you need to grab it. Need to make the decision fairly quickly, because you're going to find in about 1 to 2 weeks that we don't have them any longer. We've sold out. They are, believe it or not, incredibly popular in this size.
We haven't really been able to get these from Perth for a little while. It's,
No.
there was a while there that they had quite a few of them, and we were able to order them. But we haven't seen. We've actually had a lot of people chasing them. We haven't been able to get our hands
No.
on these for a little while. So.
And look, to Perth Mint's defence on this one, they tend to get in 1,000-ounce bars
And
to
turn
cast
them into
others.
things, yeah.
So, and as Perth Mint explained to me when I had chucked a bit of a wobbly over there, saying, "I need more 1,000-ounce bars," they're saying, "Well, look, we get 1,000-ounce bars in to recast into 1,000-ounce bars, so we can put the Perth Mint stamp on them." That seems ridiculously pointless.
Yeah.
So, you know, they are becoming harder and more rare as time goes on.
Well, they're actually turning them into things. It's a good thing.
That's exactly right. But look, I'm not for a second suggesting they're going to turn into collector's items, because they're not. But yeah, if you're in the market for them, we have them in stock. You don't see them very often on the open market. They generally just go into manufacturing plants. So grab them while you can. Again, we're doing them at spot price. And I tell you, getting silver at spot price anytime is the way to do it.
That's it. All right, that's another crazy epic buybacking from us. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we've done gold at spot, silver at spot. I'll have to try and convince him to get some platinum in now. All right, thank you very much for watching. We will see you in the next video.
Have fun.